Welcome to Rotterdam, famous for its combination of modern and old architecture, and of course, home to the biggest port of Europe. In roughly 4 weeks' time, we installed 4 SAMs in this beautiful co-housing project designed for young urban professionals. My name is Axel Vanerdonk, CTO here at Bouwliving, and today I'm going to take you through this SAM co-housing project. With our SAMs, we helped renovate a 19th century townhouse into 4 beautiful 21st century co-housing studios. Let me show you how we did this. SAM is created digital first. This enables us to put together a smart layout which will convert the space into the ideal home for the end user and maximize the amount of livable space. Our network of industrial partners facilitates the production of SAM. Our installation partners also help us achieve a very high level of finishing. SAM is put into multiple packages no wider than a door or window frame, making sure we can reach all areas on site. We've once again decided to work with Nibe and installed heat pumps on every floor so that we can provide sustainable heating and ventilation to every co-housing flat. We've situated the heat pump at the very heart of the SAM in a 3-in-1 double cabinet setup. Next to the heat pump, we've also placed the System D ventilation unit with heat recovery, as well as adequate space for your tumble dryer and washing machine. We also finally got the chance to work with a great reversible building product called the Juno wall system. It's a circular method for installing partition walls. Seeing as some of these SAMs were up to 3 meters tall, we switched over to handles on the full height cabinets. This project was the first one we installed our new and improved mirror cabinet for the bathrooms. Underneath you have sockets as well as the light switches for the LED strips around it. This cabinet insert helps us to place light switches at the correct height on the side of the cabinets, as well as allowing us to add sockets to kitchen countertops. After around 6 days of installation per SAM, this is the result. 4 85 square meter apartments in this beautiful co-housing project. Each apartment fitted with a SAM unit, providing a fully functional kitchen, bathroom and 2 bedrooms. This project in the center of Rotterdam really makes the most out of the advantages of building with SAM. Using its flexible and modular character, we could create a great fit in this renovation project. It lines up perfectly with our vision, and it's one of the many ways in which we can create sustainable and affordable housing with increased living space in an urban environment.